Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Glenn Tompkins. Love bringing these videos to your attention. Today we're going to talk about some industry movers. Stocks that are in some industries that are moving that you could probably catch some early move on them before they make big moves. This is going to be a great precursor to the hot stock panel that we have later on this week. So if you want to see what stocks we have in play for you today, you sit right there. Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. Glenn Tompkins here, senior instructor. As I mentioned, love bringing these videos to your attention. Today we're looking at three stocks: SNMP DGLY and SDPI. If you're new to the channel, I always invite you to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you'll be alerted, so when new content like this comes out, you'll be aware of it. And all together, if you haven't already, please hit the like button. That's our way of helping us know if you think these videos are conducive to you. Big word for today, conducive, for you to help you to make money in the market. So let us know, and always comment below. Tell me if you like the video, if you dislike the video, if you have any other stocks that you're looking at in this space for stocks in rising industries, let me know. All right, let's start off with my web stories. Today, there's the three stocks. Here's the first one, SNMP. Now, unlike all of the other stocks that are out there that are overshorted, this is interesting in that the shortness or the short interest on SNMP has decreased by 71%. That tells me big money has changed their mind on the path that this stock is taking. SNMP decreases by 71%. It saw for the last month a large decrease in short interest during the month of August. As of August 13th, there was a short interest totaling 80,000 shares, a decrease of 71%. So on that, it tells me that some people are picking up the stock. So several institutional investors have modified their holdings on the company. The sentiment in these people's minds have changed, and that's a good thing. JP Morgan Chase acquired a new position of Evolve Transition Infrastructure in the second quarter, valued at $164,000. Citadel, which doesn't sit well with a lot of people in this space of talking about overshorting, but they picked up a new stake in Evolve. First quarter, about $141,000. Morgan Stanley boosted its stake in Evolve by 7,270 shares during the second quarter. Morgan Stanley now owns 58,000 shares of the basic materials company stock worth about $52,000. So now that's a good side in this stock going up, but we're going to talk about what industry it's in and what the industry is doing. Something more on SNMP. I wanted to find more news on it. Couldn't find a ton of news except for that the short interest had gone down, but Evolve announces, and this is on 8/23, a completion of an amended credit agreement supporting business strategy shift. That is why big money is changing their minds. They're changing their strategy. They're pivoting. And I think big money sees that as a positive. That was the other main story. There's other news that's here, but it's going way back in time. But I thought that was more conducive to the stock's move at this particular point in time. Next stock I'm going to look at is DGLY. Announces a second quarter 2021 operating. Now, this is back on August 18th. Again, not a lot of late news on it right now, but total revenues increased 44% in the second quarter of 2021 to $2.4 million from $1.7 million in the comparable 2020 period. The primary reason for the overall revenue increase is the increase in product revenues, along with an increase in service and other revenue, $95,000 or 14% from the 2020 levels. So the company's not only going up, but the industry that it's in is going up as well. Remember, the focus on this video is not only the stocks, but the stocks are going up in industries that are rising. And the last story that I have is on SDPI, Superior Drilling. Now, they have a quarterly annual revenue going up and up and up. Annual revenue, $10.9 million. So this caught my attention. In this industry, Superior Drilling Products in revenue is ranked 4th out of the top 10 competitors in this field. The top 10 competitors average $89 million over the last 4 quarters. Superior Drilling, its revenue grew by 119%, specifically in quarter 2 revenue 3.4, in quarter 1 it was 2.4. So wow, this company is moving, and we're going to talk a little bit more about what these companies do. So let me move this over and let's get into the software. Here's my 3 stocks. All right, Ally, Digital Ally, Sanchez, Midstream, and Superior Drill. Let's start with Digital Ally. Let's learn a little bit more about them. I'm going to right-click on the stock and view a full stock analysis report on them. Digital Ally engages in designing and manufacturing of digital technology. It provides digital video imaging and storage products for law enforcement, fire, emergency medical services, security, and commercial fleet industries. There's a lot of people looking at the videotape, whether you're in a police car or in an ambulance or in a store for security. So this company is out there in the forefront on that space. SNMP, let's go take a look at what they do. SNMP, and I like the name, it's in petroleum, Evolve Transition Infrastructure. You know I'm big on infrastructure stocks right now. Engages in the acquisition, development, and production of oil and natural gas properties and related assets. The company operates through following segments: midstream and production. And the last stock, SDPI, let's view a full stock analysis report. Just wanted you to see the power of the VectorVest system, how quickly you can get this information. Superior Drilling Products is a manufacturer of PDC, polycrystalline diamond compact drill bits. So now when somebody's drilling deep into the earth and they've got to get through all of that bedrock and all that stuff, this is a company that they come through because those diamond compact drills are awesome to get through. They're really, really hard to get through all of the hard surfaces. So, and this stock is only at 77 cents. So a lot of these stocks are low dollar in potential if the industry is rising. If I analyze these stocks fundamentally, right now these stocks are not good. One of them is even a sell. And Digital Ally, which is a sell recommendation, actually has positive earnings growth rate compared to the other 2. So now that we've learned a little bit about the stocks, I don't even want to look at their graphs yet. Remember, this is about industries. So I'm going to right click on Digital Ally. I'm going to go straight to the industry graph. As I pull that up, let's take a look. Here's the industry over the last 3 months, a little bit of a sideways move, but coming off a level of support of 25.40 as an industry, rising higher. A little bit of indecision today, but a couple of things I like. One, the stock's trending higher from that low or that level of support that it just came off of. There is a support line sitting at 26.28. Currently, it's trading above that. Let's see if it can keep moving. I've got a resistance level on the industry at 27.37. Currently, it is above the 20-day exponential moving average, and the MACD has gone positive. So I like those things in an industry that's starting to rise. Lower dollar stocks in this industry could do well. Let's go look at the next industry, which is SNMP. I right click, go straight to the industry graph. Same kind of scenario. The industry is rising. Today it's down, so many of the stocks in the industry may be down today. Keep in mind, birds of a feather flock together. If an industry is rising, the stocks within the industry are pushing it higher. The industry's price is above the 20-day exponential moving average. It's trending higher. A steady volume for the most part in the industry, and the industry MACD has cost positive. And let's look at the last stock, SDPI. Right click, and let's go down to the industry graph. And here we go again, trending higher. Like the nice smooth trend on this. Above the 20-day exponential moving average, a little pullback, and it's sitting at a current level of resistance of $16.24 as an industry. Volume is pretty steady. The MACD has crossed positive a few days ago, and the MACD is a good trending indicator to see if an industry or a stock is rising higher. So that's why I like these stocks, because the industries are moving higher. Now, let's take a second look at just the stocks themselves. Let's view the stock graph. I put this on a 3-month graph. Look at that. The stock was trending down. Most recently, just went above the 20-day exponential moving average after bouncing off support on bigger volume than has been normal, and the MACD went positive. So we like the industry, and this is why I'm looking at lower dollar stocks in these industries, because it'll help to pull these stocks higher. Next one, SNMP was basing. Look at the 20-day exponential moving average on good volume. Now, the MACD hasn't confirmed this move as of yet, but look at this. Broke above a level of resistance at $1.15. Let's see if tomorrow's price can stay above that. That gives more confirmation to the move, but nice open candle on good volume. Volume is conviction. And the last stock, SDPI, in that petroleum industry, bounced off support, just went above the 20-day exponential moving average. It does have headwinds of this current level of resistance. Love the volume and love that the MACD just went positive. So folks, from the purpose of stocks to keep on your alert, remember, all of these stocks are in industries that are starting to rise. Birds of a feather flock together. If the industry is rising, the stocks within the industry are pulling it up. These could be good, early, possible entries. Put these stocks into a watch list and keep your eyes on them. I like these industry movers. And with that, folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.